Good day everyone, I'm Anna Kilyasa and I am assigned to report assignment number 7. The direction is determine the second, third, and fourth derivatives of the following function. The function that are assigned to me is f of x is equal to the quantity of x raised to 4 minus 3x squared plus 4 times the quantity of x squared minus 5. The first step we're going to do is we're going to expand the function that are given. So the expand form of that function is f of x is equal to x raised to 6 minus 5x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 15x squared plus 4x squared minus 20. So we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to just add negative 5x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4. So it will become negative 8x raised to 4. Then add 15x squared plus 4x squared. So it will become 19x squared. So the final outcome will become f of x is equal to x raised to 6 minus 8x raised to 4 plus 19x squared minus 20. So the next step is we're going to get the derivatives. The first derivatives. So x raised to 6, it will become 6x raised to 5. Then negative 8x raised to 4, it will become negative 32x raised to 3. Then 19x squared, it will become 38x. Then the negative 20, we're not going to copy that because it's already a constant. So just to get the second derivative, we're just going to just times the 6 times 5, it will become 30. Then 5 minus 1, it will become x raised to 4 minus 32 times 3. It will go 96 minus 1 x squared plus 38x minus 1, it will become only 38. So the third derivative is 120x cubed minus 192x. We get the 120x cubed because we multiply 30 times 4, then we minus 4 minus 1, so we get 120x cubed. And then we get 192x because of 96x squared. We multiply 96 to 2, and then we minus 2 to 1. So we get the third derivative of 120x cubed minus 192x. And just like what we did on the past derivatives, we're just going to just times 120 times 3, it will become 360. 3 minus 1, it will become x squared minus 192 minus 1, it will become only 192 because x minus 1 it will become 0. So the fourth derivatives is f prime of x is equal to 360x squared minus 192.